Namaste everyone, I'm Ramya Shri. Welcome to my channel Ramya Jyotish. Over the time, I have been pretty busy with consultations, and because of which I couldn't connect with all of you through my reels and videos. But I noticed one major factor common in almost all the consultations. So I thought let me take this opportunity to connect with all of you to deliver this message. I have been seeing this growing trend and a very common trend among the people of India that they don't want to live in India in their prime age or even in the middle age. And they don't want even their children to have their graduation or the post graduation in India, and emphasize on having the education outside abroad. And the reasons they say is that air is not good, water quality, the basic necessities, politics, the environment, and all the kinds of distractions as per their perception are the main reasons. But I would like to say, as per our scriptures and with the kind of time we would be facing in the next 6-7 years, there is no nation in the world which will be safer like Bharat. From 2028 to 2032 will be a very turmoil kind of period. As soon as Rahu enters Dhanur Rashi, somewhere in April-May 2028, we will start to see the results of it. For the next 1.5-2 years, 2026 and 2027 also majorly, we won't see major shifts in geopolitics, and we would see everything going well and everything going pretty calm, smooth, everything. This is the illusion of Rahu. He creates there, being in the Shatabhisha Nakshatra, Dhanishta Nakshatra, then the other two nakshatras in Makar Rashi. But we have to be careful because everything that Rahu creates is illusion, and as soon as he enters Dhanur Rashi, the battlefield will get activated. So 2028 April to 2032 June, July tak, it will be one of the toughest time period for every one of us. So if you are living anywhere in abroad, as an Indian, if you are living anywhere in this world, please come back to our country. This is my request, because you won't feel any kind of safety or you won't feel secured during these 4 years apart from our country. This is just my suggestion from astrological point of view. It's up to your decision. It's up to your perception whether to take or not, and that's it. Thank you.